In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import products from any website to WooCommerce using a professional and scalable method. This is perfect if you're working with suppliers, dropshipping companies, wholesalers, or even migrating products from another store. Instead of manually copying and pasting product titles, descriptions, prices, and images one by one, we're going to use a much faster and smarter approach using product feeds. By the end of this video, you'll know how to import products using an XML or CSV file directly into WooCommerce. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WooCommerce and WordPress tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need is a product feed from the website you're importing from. Most professional suppliers provide a CSV or XML feed. This file contains all the product data, including titles, descriptions, prices, images, SKUs, categories, and more. If your supplier provides you with a link to this feed, that's perfect. This is the same method agencies use when building large e-commerce stores. Now go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins, and then click Add Plugins. In the search bar, type WP All Import. This is a powerful plugin that allows you to import product data into WooCommerce from CSV or XML files. Once you find WP All Import, click Install Now, and then click Activate after installation completes. After activating the plugin, the next step is to go to Tools in your dashboard, and then click on Import. Here, you'll see the WooCommerce Products Import option. If you're using WP All Import with WooCommerce, you'll be able to upload your CSV or connect to your XML feed URL directly. If you have a CSV file downloaded to your computer, upload it. If your supplier gave you a live XML feed link, you can paste that URL instead. Then click Continue to Step 2. Now you'll be asked what type of content you're importing. Choose WooCommerce Products. The plugin will automatically detect the columns in your file. You'll then move to the drag and drop interface where you map your product data fields. This is where you match the fields from your CSV or XML file to WooCommerce product fields. For example, drag the product title field into the title box. Drag the description field into the description area. Map the regular price to the regular price field, the SKU to the SKU field, and the image URLs to the product image section. You can also map categories, stock status, attributes, and variations if your file includes them. Take your time here and make sure everything is mapped correctly. This step ensures your products import exactly the way you want them to appear in your store. Once everything is mapped, click Continue. You'll then see options for unique identifiers. Typically, SKU is the best unique identifier because it prevents duplicate products during future imports. Now click Confirm and run import. The plugin will begin processing the file and importing your products into WooCommerce. Depending on how many products you're importing, this may take a few seconds or several minutes. When the import is complete, go to Products in your WooCommerce dashboard and review the imported items. Check that images are loading correctly, prices are accurate, and descriptions are formatted properly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to import products from any website to WooCommerce using a professional XML or CSV feed method. This approach saves hours of manual work and is ideal for scaling your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future WooCommerce guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.